is Tracy from Plants, Power, and Purpose. I am making bug spray today because my little helper, who is hiding, is highly allergic and gets just bugs. They just love her. So we're gonna make some natural bug spray because I know that DEET does keep the bugs away. That's true, but oils can as well. So today I'm just using all the oils that bugs don't like, but we like. So citronella, that's like your typical bug spray smell. Ugh. I'm not a very big fan of it, and that's why I'm gonna use a lot of other oils to kind of cover up the smell. So, Emily, would you like to help me put some citronella drops in this?
Yes!
I'm using a 4-ounce bottle. I think it's a 4-ounce. I will double check that recipe. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once I make bug spray, I'm going to make a big batch of it. That's what I do. So anyway, the other, you get the point. Geranium, I'm going to use lemon. Tea tree is great to keep the bugs away. Also great for your skin. Lemongrass. I was actually shocked that lemongrass is in there. Thyme. I have seen thyme in a few different bug sprays. Clove. And that's also good for immunity. And none of these really smell amazing. So what I like to do, and they actually do help with bugs, is lavender and peppermint. Peppermint is actually surprisingly great for bugs, and actually it like repels like
We can eat
mice too. You can eat that because it's yes. You should use I don't have them in front of me, but you should use the other labels, and these are to eat. The ingestible vitality. Okay. Well, that is our bug spray, and we'll just fill it with water, and that's it.